In the last few minutes, we heard from an attorney accused of murder. Police say he ran down a well-known real estate investor in 2019. And Channel 2's Michael Seiden is live in downtown Atlanta and just stepped out of court. Michael.
And Linda, in the last 15 minutes, testimony wrapped up for the day. It was a very emotional day inside the courtroom. We heard opening statements from both the prosecution and, of course, the defense. There was also plenty of family and friends inside packing that courtroom. In a moment packed with emotion, the friends and family of Hamid Jahangard watched in court today as prosecutors showed the final seconds of their loved one's life. Prosecutors say on July 30th, 2019, the defendant, Brian Schmidt, intentionally rammed his Mercedes into Jahangard outside one of the victim's investment homes along River Valley Road in Sandy Springs.
This defendant struck Mr. Jahangard with that Mercedes, breaking his left tibia and knocking him to the ground with such force that he fractured his skull. He sustained multiple cerebral contusions and hemorrhages, ultimately causing his death.
But in court today, Schmidt's defense team argued that the entire encounter began after the victim threw a golf ball off their client's Mercedes, leading to an argument between both men. They claim the victim threw a trash can at the car, forcing him to swerve into him.
Mr. Schmidt did not intend to kill or assault or otherwise harm Mr. Jahangard in any way. Mr. Jahangard's death was a tragic accident.
But prosecutors fired back using police body camera footage and testimony from several witnesses, accusing Schmidt of giving conflicting testimony to investigators. They also claim surveillance video never showed Jahangard throwing a trash can at the car. And Schmidt's attorney asked jurors to look closely at the video. It shows, they say, client braking before that collision. They also say after the collision that their client got out and tried to render aid until paramedics. Now, in the meantime, the prosecutors are saying the victim was on the phone with his brother, and his brother heard him trying to de-escalate the situation before the collision. Now, testimony will resume tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We're live in downtown Atlanta. Michael Seiden, Channel 2 Action News.